All right, we're doing a double integral. Looks like the outer integral we can make in terms of x, and it's going to range from 3 to 4. That will be in terms of x. The inner integral of the double integral is going to be in terms of y. That's going to range from 3 to 5. And the function that we're integrating is 5y plus 3x. So if you focus on that inner integral first, y is the variable, x is a constant. This will turn into, let's see here, integral from 3 to 4 of 5y squared over 2 plus 3xy evaluated between 3 and 5 dx. That's what we still, so we'll evaluate this inner part and then we'll integrate against x. This will then be still the integral from 3 to 4. And then you plug in the upper endpoint and then you subtract plugging in the lower endpoint. So this would be 5 times 5 squared over 2 plus 3x times 5 minus, and then 5 times 3 squared over 2 plus 3x times 3. Like that. And then we still have our dx. Oops. Edge of the thing. So this then is going to be, that's a dx. This is going to be, once we combine like terms, we're still integrating from 3 to 4. Let's see here, 5 times 5 squared is 125. That's a 125. 5 times 3 squared is 5 times 9, so that's 45. So we have 125 over 2 minus 45 over 2. That's going to be 80 over 2. Let me write it like that, 80 over 2, which is 40. And then this 3x times 5 is 15x. 3x times 3 is 9x. 15x minus 9x just leaves me with a 6x dx. So that's what we're left integrating. Let's go to a new board for that. 80 over 2 will just turn into 40. So we're integrating from 3 to 4, 40 plus 6x dx, which is now just a single variable integral. You integrate from 3 to 4. Let's go ahead and just do the integral. You end up with 40x plus 6x squared over 2 evaluated between 3 and 4, which reduces down to 40x plus 3x squared evaluated between 3 and 4. Let's plug and chug. Here we're going to have a 40 times 4 plus 3 times 4 squared, plugging in the upper endpoint, and then plug in the lower endpoint and subtract 40 times 3 plus 3 times 3 squared. Okay, so that's going to be 40. 40 times 4 minus 40 times 3 is just 40. And then you can factor out a 3 and you're left with 4 squared minus 3 squared. 4 squared minus 3 squared is just 16 minus 9, so that's 7. So this is 40 plus 3 times 7, which is 40 plus 21, or 61. So the answer to this double integral is 61. And if you integrate the other direction, and we don't have really time for it, but if you set it up the other way, if you went from 3 to 5 and did dx as the outer one, no, sorry, that would be a dy, wouldn't it? And then if you did the 3 to 4 as the inner dx and integrated the same function, 5y plus 3x, you should get also 61. I would show you, but we're running out of time. Anyway, there you go, 61.